Welcome to Carlin, Nevada, where ordinary land hides extraordinary wealth. Every day begins quietly, but something massive is already in motion. Every shift begins with precision, because every second matters.
The output on Sector 4 is dropping rapidly. We need to reroute auxiliary power immediately.
These giant machines are heading toward today's hidden treasure.
Outside Carlin, the search never truly stops.
Every rock is valuable, but the right one changes everything.
Moving slower than anticipated. Roger that. Keep me updated on the vibrations.
Drill pushes deeper, searching for gold-rich rock.
Every meter reveals another chapter hidden underground. Let's inspect every sample before moving forward. Hundreds of drill holes prepare the next operation. Safety comes first, every single time.
Personnel accounted for. Go for arming. Arming sequence initiated. Clear to fire.
Seconds later, solid rock breaks into opportunity. Bucket carries the possibility of hidden gold.
The journey continues, back toward behind the goods in Carlin.
Every mile brings these rocks closer to their hidden destiny. Just outside Carlin, this giant facility never truly sleeps.
Every delivery is verified before entering the plant.
Stone becomes manageable, one crushing force at a time. Comes the moment, thousands of tons begin to move. One thunderous drop starts an incredible transformation. The journey inside the factory has officially begun. Here in Carlin, every conveyor carries the promise of gold. Control keeps every machine running efficiently. Now the grinding process finally begins. Inside Carlin, every load moves with perfect precision. Rotation breaks the ore even further. The rocks are crushed into finer material, step by step. Nothing is wasted. Oversized ore goes back for further crushing. Smaller particles reveal more hidden minerals. Across Carlin, the process never stops. Now the crushed ore becomes a flowing mineral slurry. The finest material moves ahead. The real search for gold begins now. Nothing is wasted. Oversized ore goes back for further crushing. Carlin. Vichwechi told me this process never stops moving. It remains hidden, deep inside this moving slurry. The stage finishes. The next begins immediately. Every stage prepares the ore for greater precision. Precise control helps unlock what the eye cannot see. Gold is still invisible, but the separation has already begun.
Every stage prepares the ore for greater precision. The journey continues, but the gold is still invisible. Nothing happens by chance. Every flow is controlled. Every second of the viensitopization of the ancient Tajuri, the system keeps moving forward, where the recovery process grows even more precise. Inside Carlin, the biggest secret is still hidden. Inside Carlin, the biggest discovery is still just ahead. Two paths emerge, but only one carries the valuable mineral concentrate.
Valuable material is finally starting to separate.
Valuable concentrate begins separating from excess water.
How loose the granules are.
Yes, the dewatering system is working perfectly, no slabs at all.
Only the cleanest mineral concentrate continues to the next stage. The richest concentrate earns the next step. Advanced technology finds what the human eye cannot. Inside Carlin, we're finally approaching the heart of the process. Even the last traces of moisture must disappear. Now the concentrate is ready for its final transformation. Every batch is measured before the heat takes over. Inside the furnace, the real change has begun. Inside the ore,
The metal is finally beginning to emerge.
heat begins separating valuable metal from the remaining minerals. Beneath the surface, something valuable is taking shape. Wanted material leaves first. The valuable metal stays behind. For the first time, the hidden treasure reveals itself. Months of work become molten gold in just a few moments.
Every ounce is verified before the final finish begins.
Perfect synchronization keeps production flowing without interruption. Every ingot is verified automatically before moving deeper into the refinery. Every ingot is weighed instantly without slowing production.
Organizes every batch with absolute precision.
Each group is prepared carefully for secure transport. From hidden ore to secure storage, precision defines every step. Security
Follows every step of the journey.
The approved ingot continues under complete control. Every ingot is matched to its production record. Every movement is protected by multiple layers of security.
Every ingot is ready for the refinery's final stage.
The final refining sequence is about to begin. Every ingot is verified before the final melt.
The final melt begins under carefully controlled conditions.
Purity is achieved through precision, not speed. Every ore is measured to produce a perfectly consistent bar. Controlled cooling protects the quality of every bar. From hidden ore to certified gold, ready for the world.
Every ingot is now ready for the refinery's final transformation. Every finished bar must pass one final inspection.
Perfection is as important as precision.
Precision is confirmed, one bar at a time.
Every bar is protected inside one of the most secure facilities in Carlin. From deep beneath Carlin to one of the world's most secure vaults. Every step is protected by world-class security. Behind every gold bar, thousands of systems work together.
What started as ordinary rock became one of Earth's most valuable metals.
Every day, another journey begins beneath the Nevada sky. Thanks for watching Behind the Goods.
Heart of Carlin, excellence never stops. Even after sunset, the refinery never truly sleeps.
Ensure the highest liquidity and authenticity with this certification. Every certified bar is ready for investors around the world.
Refinery to trusted bullion dealers. Some of that gold begins a new life as timeless jewelry. Tomorrow, the journey begins all over again.
For some, gold becomes a lasting memory to treasure.